In this video, we're going to run a use case of charging a bottle fee automatically during checkout, and then using the negative tender to issue a payout for said bottle as a return when the customers bring back the bottles. So let's get started. So to set up the fee, we're actually going to our setup. Right, so we're going to use an app called Setup, and from there we're going to navigate taxes and fees. All right, and we're going to click on this one here, and we'll see that I already have my deposit fee, but let's pretend that I don't. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So we're just going to go ahead and add a fee, right? So we'll call it bottle deposit and deposit. Like that, and we're going to change tax percentage to flat fee, and we're going to do fee amount, let's say 30 cents. All right, so we're going to hit save. Now you notice I didn't make it default because that would just add it to every item we have in our inventory, and now this right here is a bit of a manual process. But imagine we have a Coke, right? In fact, I have a bunch of them. I have two. One that's 109 and that's 101. So let's go with the one that's 101 and let's look at it. So here's an item, right? It's a can of Coke, and right here I have my taxes and fees. Right, so I'm going to click on my taxes and fees, and it might be set up this way. Okay, and what you want to do is just click on custom taxes and fees, and then just choose. Say I want to do my sales tax and I want to do my bottle deposit, like that. Right, so custom taxes and fees, sales tax, bottle deposits, or whatever other fees you might have. Hit save. So mine does too. So then it'll actually show you can of Coke has bottle deposit 30 cents, sales tax 9%. So that gets saved, and then we're gonna go into this other Coke that's $1.09 and do same thing, right? So it's per item, unfortunately, but sales tax, bottle deposit. But now both of my Cokes have this thing in there, 30% fee and sales tax. So now I'm just gonna go to my register app. There it is. Right, and we're going to grab our Coke. Here's one. Okay, so there's the 39 cents in there, and that will include both the fee and taxes because you remember our fee was only 30 cents. Let's go back and check. Set up. Yeah, see, 30 cents, and then 9 cents would be the tax. So there's that fee, 39. And then when we go to pay, taxes and fees right there. And then the payout can be right here. My button is just called 7, but that's our payout, right? So payout amount. So we can do 30 cents bottle return. Okay, and we can just apply as payment, and it'll reduce this payment by 30 cents. See, minus 30 cents right there. So the fee got charged, and then we also immediately gave it back to them, the 30 cents. And let us just pay the rest of it. Okay, that happened. All right, and then we're done. And then let's just kind of see in the reports how those fees break down. So, because during the checkout, you couldn't really see it, but I do believe that maybe, I want to see how it shows. Yeah, so it does show correct on the receipt. So this is what the receipt looks like for this transaction. So there's a bottle deposit, 30 cents. And sales tax 9 cents, but the test did not get charged, right? And so the test is there because it's a default tax, but it doesn't get charged, right? Because we specifically did that with the item. So now if we look here, we'll see that our fees are, right, so that's bottle return right there, that's money out. Just want to see it. Oh, taxes, here it is. It'll be right here. Just want to see if they have the description of what these things are. Bottle deposit, yeah, so right there, bottle deposit collected, 30 cents on this one taxable amount, and sales tax collected. So it kind of breaks down that way on the receipt and then in the reports, which also are printable. And then the payout, why is my button called 777? Let me just kind of sort of address that as well. It's right here. So negative tender, merchant can call it whatever they want. So we'll call it payout. Like that. I'll go ahead and hit save. And so now that we've done that, if we go to register and just grab anything, right, and put that in cart and then go here, there's the button, right, that says payout. And then from here we can pull up the payouts and handle the bottle return, 30 cents, and then just open register. And open register is different than applying a statement because it just issues the payout for 30 cents, but it does not involve that payout in this transaction that we're in the middle of. So that's the difference between open register and apply as payment. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you.